Hey guys. Okay, so what happened where we left off from is we were at the Qantas transfer thingo where we were thinking that we only had to show the doctor's clearance. But when we got there, we got asked a whole series of questions like, was your surgery big or small? Was it minor or major? Are you suffering from dizziness? Are you on medication? And all these other questions. And I'm thinking, okay, you wanted me to get a doctor's certificate. You guys are not doctors, right? So you should have asked me this yesterday and then that would have been it. Like, what's the point asking me now because I've already been to the doctors, right? That's why you guys kept me here, because I had to go to the doctors. And so I was like, oh, here we go. And they said, oh, like, when did you have your surgery? And I just started lying. I just said 2 weeks ago. And then they were like, oh, okay, so was it minor surgery? Was it major surgery? Was it a keyhole surgery? Was it more than 5 centimeters long? I said, nah, because I want to go home. Because if I said yes, I don't know what would have happened. Right? If I said it was more than 5 centimeters, what would have happened? Because I was explaining to the lady, look, we've already traveled 17 hours, and she still wasn't listening. They still don't want to listen. They just have all these things that they have to tick off. So it doesn't matter, like, if you try to tell them, they don't care. Anyway, so I just lied and said, nah, it was minor surgery. It was less than 5 centimeters. I'm not dizzy. They said shortness of breath. Nah. And she goes, okay. And then she gets back on the phone, and then she's like, she wasn't even talking to us. And then next minute she was getting us a boarding pass. So now we've just cleared customs and we're on our way back to Australia. It is 6:50 and our flight is at 7:40. Yeah, so pretty much we just spent the last 20 minutes talking to my daughter, having a look at the baby, because he's like, laughing now, and he's like talking, baby talk. Yeah. So I think I would have lost my shit if they said, sorry, you're gonna have to do this and that. Like, I'm thinking, could you guys have asked me these questions and I could have gone on the flight? Like, they should have asked me, I reckon, just me. I don't work for the flight company, but I'm thinking, why didn't you ask me when you guys kicked me off the plane if I had a big surgery, if I had a small surgery? Am I suffering from nausea, dizziness, and all this? Why didn't you ask me that before? So, anyways, they came to get us from the motel, took us to this transfer place, and then we walked to this gate, had a cup of coffee, turned around, bop up and down, talked to our kids, and now we're on our way home. I've never been so happy, man. I'm really looking forward to going home, honestly. Like, hey, Singapore's not the worst place to be stuck in. Like I said, I don't care if I got stuck here, but not like this, Yeah, thanks, Kitty. When I go home, man, I'm just going to have the biggest hugs. And then Adol rings me. He's like, hey, did she send you through the video? And I'm like, what video? And he goes, of baby laughing. He goes, Anna, I told her, if Anna sees this, she'll swim home. She won't even care about the plane, she'll swim. And then when I saw the video, oh my God, my heart melted. Me and hubby was standing in the middle of the airport, just like nearly crying. Oh my God. I knew he was going to start laughing when I left. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you, Tanya. Thank you. Thanks, Gemini. Thanks, girlfriend. Yeah, it's been an up and down trip, this one. It's been a lot of up. Oh no, it's been a lot of down and then up and then down and oh my God. But it's okay. It's an experience. But I would tell you guys, man, if you go overseas for surgery, keep it to your damn self when you're going home. Like, honestly, keep it to yourself. If you're okay and the doctor wherever you are says you're okay, yeah, you don't have to talk about it when you get on the plane. Just don't say anything. And that came from the doctor here himself. He's like, oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Because they know it's a bloody inconvenience, you know? Yeah, it's been an experience, all right. Oh, shit. And I lost my shit there for a moment, especially this morning with the old biddies having to go. Fuck yous all. It's the last thing I want to hear. Fuck yous. That you guys on the, yeah, I'm happy, guys. I'm happy. So we leave at 7:40 in another 46 minutes. By the time we board, sit down, get comfy, we'll be up in the air. Yeah. Yeah, it's been a crazy one. So we left on the 22nd of December and it's now the 4th. So it was like 10, 11, just 2 weeks. And we've, like, so much has happened in 2 weeks, man. Oh, my goodness. But we had a lot of good times, too. A lot of hell of good times. Don't blame me for losing it. Oh, my goodness. Fuck. I thought, you old bitches. If I was overseas with somebody like them, I would never trust them. So please, let's get, yeah, I am too. It's just starting to fill up now over here. Everyone's just coming through the customs thing, and we're all just waiting here to board the plane. We'll have to enjoy with you. Oh my, I can't wait. I can't wait to see the little one. We arrive home. Adult tapped it in real quick. He said, you guys get in at 6:15, so in the morning, their time, because I think they're 3 hours in front, behind, I can't remember. You're welcome, Mary. So thank you. Oh, me too, girl. Me too, fucking hell. Yeah, so if you do go overseas, yes, just don't mention it. Everyone gets like paperwork to go home, but for some people, like you know, our flight, they don't care about it. They just don't care. Yeah, we're waiting for our flight. Hey, there he is. Hey, Baba.
Hello, everybody. Good to see you guys. Good to see everybody. I hope you guys doing okay. Everybody is fine.
Yeah, we're going home finally.
About time.
Yeah, about time. Holy. Inshallah, Nefisa. It's Monday the 5th in Victoria. Oh my goodness, thank goodness. Safe travel home. Anyway, that's it. For a moment when we started getting that questions, I thought, oh shit, we're gonna stay again. And then I just started lying.
You know, it's a good advice for the travelers.
Yeah.
If they have surgery, if they okay, they finish medication, which is she doesn't have any medication, she's okay to travel, she's got a green light from her doctor, it's been like almost 2 weeks. If you find nothing wrong with you, you're healthy, you can travel, don't mention to the flight crew trying to get the better seat, don't, they'll take you off the plane. So just this is the raw footage she done yesterday, and yeah, just an example of what can happen. And yeah, so it's just little tip. You know, we're learning.
Yeah, we're learning, that's it. Oh, the luggage. Our bags.
No, they
Oh, that's right. No, they took. Oh God, that's right. So they gave us these little tags, right? And she didn't put them on our. She put them on our bags and gave us the tags, and it was on at one of our boarding passes. They asked for them. I gave it to them so they could connect our luggage with our plane. Yeah. So. You're doing good, Erica. Thank you, Sharon. Oh man, we got plenty of stories to tell our kids. Fucking hell. Oh my God. I rang my son last night. I was like, oh, so we're gonna stuck in Singapore. He's like, what's going on? And I started telling him, this is where you can't use critical thinking. They have to go everything by the book. That's just the way it is, you know. This trip has been full on. We are getting the tips though. I'll give you all the tips, man. I'll give you all the tea. I'll give you all the tea, coffee, and hot chocolate. Hai Kalima. Inshallah, inshallah. Thank you so much. How happy you guys are. Oh man, I'm telling you, I'm so fucking happy to be going home right now. Like, I can't think of anything else. I just want to get home, get into my nightie, and play with the baby, kiss my sons, have a laugh with my boys. You know, have a nice cup. Because we said to our daughter yesterday, because we're gonna be home, make sure to have the cup of tea ready. Don't bring baby to the airport because it's too much. And she's like, because we were getting in at 10:15, I said, just go straight to the house, put the tea on. And now we get back at 6:15, she's like, yeah, I'll come down. 6:15's early, you know, especially for a mum with a little baby. And she goes, I'll come down, but I've got to beat the heat home because we're going into heat wave, but her days confused. Oh my God, I just want to get home and eat that baby. And when I was talking to him on the phone, he started crying, and he knew it was me. Because every time I get him, I eat his little legs and his hands and his arms and his neck. When he heard my voice, he started getting grizzly. I thought, yep, you know I'm coming. Yeah, and table tennis, yeah. I can't wait to see my Serjan, oh my goodness. And Shaheen, he's been a worrywart. He hardly talks to us because he's too stressed out. Yeah, it's been a roller coaster for sure. So Bubbles already thinking, he's like, he promised the boys when we get back, he's going to put the brisket on, and he said we'll give it a couple of days or rest a couple of days before I do that. I think you definitely want to hug little Bubble. Oh, yeah, for sure. So good to see you smile. Oh my God, hey. I learn too, guys. You know, when we're going through all of this shit, I learn too, and then I'm just sharing with you guys what I'm learning. You know, like, holy. And so it's been very educational for me too. So happy you're finally going home. That woman. And this is the thing, because the airport's so big, I wouldn't even know her name. I didn't get her name. It all happened so quickly, and then she fucked off and left us like that. But you know, me and my husband were in our room last night where like everything happens for a reason, and we tried very hard to find the reason. And then we thought maybe I just wasn't meant to do that whole trip. Maybe it would have been too much. I don't know. And then we started thinking to ourselves, maybe we were meant to break it up. And maybe, you know, maybe, shoulda, coulda, woulda, you know, but because when we got off here, I said to my husband, oh, babe, I'm swelling. Like, because I got a lot of fluid that's around my belly, my hips and stuff. And I said, oh shit, because my nurse in Istanbul said, if you start swelling, you can just release the, because I've got one of those garments on. She said you can release by one of them, so it's a little bit less tight. And I thought to myself, oh shit, should I? Then I was too scared because I thought I might not be able to button it back up. And then I was like, oh shit, I'll be okay, I'll be all right. And then we weren't allowed on, so my husband said, maybe that's it, you know. And I was thinking the same. Maybe 17 hours was it? And then we were forced to stay here because as soon as I lay on the bed in the room, oh my God, the relief. And now I'm ready to take this last 7 hours, so maybe that was it, you know. You keep us on our toes from nearly missing your flights or getting kicked off your flight, wasn't it? Oh, bloody hell. Anyways, guys, I'm going to jump off and say my prayers and stuff, and I will see you guys sometime soon. I just want to get home and spend some time with my babies. But that's us. That was our trip to Istanbul. That was the tips. That was what I had done. That was the airport experience. That was a bit of sightseeing as well, all jam-packed into nearly 2 weeks. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.